Before we look at the discriminant, let's see what we're given in the formula booklet. Under section 2.7, solutions of a quadratic equation, we are given the general form for the quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Therefore, we're then given the quadratic formula, x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, as long as a does not equal 0. And from that formula, the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. The discriminant. You can use the discriminant to determine how many solutions a quadratic equation will have. Quadratic equations can have 2, 1, or no solutions. The discriminant is the expression under the radical in the quadratic formula that allows you to determine how many solutions you will have before solving it. The discriminant is shown in red. b squared minus 4ac is the discriminant. Properties of the discriminant. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, or the discriminant is a positive number, you will have two real solutions. If the discriminant is a perfect square, the two solutions are rational. If the discriminant is not a perfect square, the two real solutions are irrational. If b squared minus 4ac equals 0, you will have one real solution. In fact, there are two, but they are the same. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, in other words, the discriminant is a negative number, there are no real solutions or two imaginary solutions. Example 1a. Find the number of solutions of the following. 3x squared minus 5x equals 1. First, rearrange to get 3x squared minus 5x minus 1 equals 0. Write down what a, b and c are. So a equals 3, b equals minus 5, c equals minus 1. Put into the equation b squared minus 4ac. So you get minus 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times minus 1. So you get 25 plus 12, which is equal to 37, which is greater than 0. Therefore, you have two solutions. B. X squared equals 2x minus 3. Rearrange to get x squared minus 2x plus 3 equals 0. So a equals 1, b equals minus 2, c equals 3. Put into the equation b squared minus 4ac. So you get minus 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3, which is equal to 4 minus 12, which is equal to negative 8, which is less than 0. Therefore, there are no real solutions. C. 4x squared equals 4x minus 1. Rearrange to get 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 1. Put into the equation b squared minus 4ac to get minus 4 squared minus 4 times 4 times 1, which is equal to 16 minus 16, which equals 0. Therefore, there is one solution. In the following, you have 6 equations. Work out the discriminant and then work out the number of roots that discriminant gives you. Stop the video and work them out for yourself. The answers are, the first one, the discriminant is minus 7, which gives you 0 roots. The second, the discriminant works out to be 12, which gives you 2 roots. The third, the discriminant is 0, which gives you 1 root. The fourth, the discriminant is 60, which gives you 2 roots. The fifth, the discriminant works out to be minus 47, which gives you 0 roots. And the last one, the discriminant is 4, which gives you 2 roots. Here is a typical IB question. The equation x squared plus 2px plus 3p plus 4 is equal to 0, where p is a positive constant, has equal roots. A, find the value of p. B, for this value of p, solve the equation x squared plus 2px plus 3p plus 4 equals 0. First, work out A, B, and C. So A is 1, B is equal to 2p, C is equal to 3p plus 4. Then, using the discriminant b squared minus 4ac, we know it is equal to 0 because it has equal roots. So you get 2p all squared minus 4 times 1 times 3p plus 4 equals 0. So 4p squared minus 12p minus 16 equals 0. So p squared minus 3p minus 4 equals 0. Factorize, you get p plus 1, p minus 4 equals 0. We are only interested in positive values, so p must equal 4. For part B, we know that p equals 4. That gives us the equation x squared plus 8p plus 16 equals 0. Factorize to give a perfect square. X plus 4 all squared is 0, so x is equal to negative 4. Here is another equation. X squared plus 5kx plus 10k plus 5 equals 0, where k is an integer. Given that this equation has equal roots, determine the value of k. Stop the video and work it out. First, write down the values of A, B, and C. So A equals 1, B equals 5k, C equals 10k plus 5. Put into the discriminant b squared minus 4ac, which we know is equal to 0 because we are told we have equal roots. So we get 5k squared minus 4 times 1 times 10k plus 5 equals 0, which gives us 25k squared minus 40k minus 20 is equal to 0. Factorize to give 5k plus 2, k minus 2 equals 0. We are only interested in integer values, so k must equal 1. Here are 5 questions for you to do. Stop the video and work out the answers. The answers are 1, k equals plus or minus 6, 2, k equals plus or minus 4, 3, k equals plus or minus 4, 4, k equals 3, and x equals 4. And question 5, k is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 3 over 2.